Traveling can be an exciting and enriching experience, providing opportunities to explore new cultures, try new foods, and create unforgettable memories. Whether you are a seasoned traveler or just starting out, it's important to be prepared. From choosing the right destination to packing the essential items, planning is key to ensuring a successful trip. While traveling can be enjoyable, packing can often be a source of frustration. You may feel like you are forgetting something or have packed too much, using only half of what you brought. However, packing for your next trip doesn't have to be this way. Here, we are mentioning some amazing travel must-haves that will make your packing easy, more organized, and compact. These must-haves will simplify your packing process and make your trip more enjoyable. So without any further ado, let's get started. Although the choice in bag completely depends on what kind of trip you are planning, but usually rolling duffel bags works for almost every trip plan. They are big in size and are spacious for bigger or many items to be carried. Plus, they have wheels under it so that you don't have to face trouble in carrying them. If you love traveling or have to go regularly on work trips, then you should always carry a neck pillow with you. They help in avoiding neck stiffness, soreness, and cervical problems that you might experience while traveling. Not only this, they also prevent head and back pain which can be caused due to bumpy roads. Carrying your cosmetics, grooming, and skincare products is not new to carry, but the actual question is where to put them. These little products get ruined if not taken care of, and sometimes even destroy other things around them. To prevent that from happening, it is necessary to carry them in toiletry bags. These bags protect them and also keep your belongings organized and easy to find. Let's normalize carrying P-Safe whenever we are using public washrooms. It's a toilet seat sanitizer with a pleasant fragrance that comes in various scents like mint, lavender, floral, etc. It helps you in maintaining hygiene and is also portable to carry. Perfectly able to blend, waste bags always come in handy. They help you keep the essentials with you all the time without making you feel occupied. These cute little fanny packs come in various designs, so you can choose them according to your liking. After clothes, footwears are the next thing you worry about. Packing your everyday footwear with other belongings can ruin your clothes with the dirt under them. Here, these portable shoe pouches can be really helpful as they can separate your shoes from clothes when packing them in the travel bag. You should always carry a first aid kit whenever you are traveling because during travel, lots of people suffer from motion sickness. In that case, your first aid will be very beneficial. Not only this, sometimes you can get hurt, and if you are traveling, it is really hard to look for medical help. Your first aid should always have important items like bandages, medicines for motion sickness, headache, cold, allergies if you have any, sanitizer, pain reliever, scissors, thermometer, etc. When you plan a trip, there are certain things you should always carry whenever or wherever you are traveling, and soap tablets are one of them. Usually, public places are always out of soaps, or even if they have, they are not hygienic to use. So, whether you use public washroom or eat in a public place, these soap tablets comes in handy. While traveling, organizing your stuff is really important as it will make it easy for you to find when you need them. Toothbrush capsule-shaped container helps you in keeping your toothbrush, toothpaste and tongue cleaner organized and safe from getting ruined. Just like a toothbrush container, if you are a person who always prefers a soap over a shower gel, then this waterproof soap box is really useful for you. Using public toilets feels really scary, as we have no control over their hygiene, and when traveling, they are the only option we have left with. But worry not anymore, as now we have got disposable paper toilet seat covers. To organize your electronic items and also to keep them safe, a storage pouch for electronic accessories is the perfect solution. Gimbals are handheld devices that help stabilize cameras, smartphones, or other recording equipment. They are useful for travelers who want to capture high-quality footage of their adventure, as they reduce shakiness and make footage smoother and more professional looking. By using a gimbal, travelers can record videos or take photos while walking, hiking, or moving without worrying about shaky or blurry footage. Gimbals are also compact and easy to pack, making them a convenient addition to any travel gear for capturing memorable moments on the go. Sleep masks can be particularly helpful for people who travel because they can block out the light and create a dark environment, which can help regulate the body's sleep-wake cycle and promote better sleep. This is especially important when traveling across time zones, as it can take a few days for the body to adjust to a new sleep schedule. In addition to blocking out light, sleep masks can also provide a sense of privacy and help reduce distractions from other passengers or activities on the plane or in the hotel room. Overall, using a sleep mask while traveling can help promote better sleep and reduce the effect of jet lag. If you are traveling for 1 or 2 days, then you don't need to carry the entire cosmetic or skincare products with you, especially when they are expensive, as they can get lost or destroyed. Just put a specific amount of them in these containers and you are good to go. Traveling can be noisy, especially when you are trying to take a nap or sleep. So, always carry a pair of good earplugs with you just in case. Does it even need a mention? In today's world, your phone is your everything. From contacting someone to paying for your purchases, it's really important to make sure that your phone is fully charged. So whenever you are traveling, always carry a good power bank with you. What's better than a foldable bottle for traveling? Oh yes. Foldable water bottles are a convenient option for travelers, as they take up less space than traditional water bottles when empty. They can easily fit in a purse or a backpack, making it easy to stay hydrated while on the go. Additionally, they are lightweight, durable, and reusable, making them an eco-friendly alternative to disposable plastic water bottles. Wearing travel icon t-shirts can be beneficial in several ways. They can serve as a conversation starter, helping travelers connect with locals or other travelers who share similar interests. Wet wipes are a useful item to bring when traveling, as they can serve a variety of purposes. They can be used to clean hands and face, wipe down surfaces, and refresh oneself during long flights or road trips. They can also be used to clean up spills and messes and to freshen up clothing. In areas where access to water is limited, wet wipes can be a convenient way to maintain cleanliness and hygiene. Additionally, they are compact and easy to pack, making them a convenient addition to any travel kit. So, these are the 20 best travel must-haves for you when planning a trip. Hope you like our video and subscribe to our channel. Make sure you press the bell icon so that you get the notification every time we upload a video on our channel. Thank you so much for watching.